Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So, how are you?
Fine, fine. Is it audible, right?
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay. Okay. Before we could start, so from yesterday, uh, as you know, I subscribed to the Ingvarta. I heard the recorded versions,
Okay.
nearly about 20 to 21 recorded versions
Okay.
when I spoke to the experts, right? There are so many mistakes I did.
Okay. Excuse me. There were so many mistakes that I did.
What I said,
There are so many mistakes that I did.
so I heard so many recorded version.
Okay.
So I did so many mistakes there. So what I found, even I could not make a proper sentence,
Yes.
like a common phrase we use in a daily walks of life.
Yeah.
So, can we start with the basic thing? So, there are certain phrases I could know, right? I could not know, and I always doesn't make proper sentence
I cannot make proper sentences.
or doesn't arrange proper sentence while conversation.
Actually, while you're making
Yes,
sentence,
correct. I cannot make proper sentences. So,
yes,
what I found,
I'm saying that when you're making sentences, you actually make mistakes while using the tenses, while arranging those words. Like just now, you said that there are so many mistakes I did. In fact, when you did it in the past, you say that there were so many mistakes that I did.
then how to improve this,
How to
how to
improve
remove these
this?
mistakes.
Actually, this method of starting a topic and just keep on talking about the topic won't help.
Correct, right?
Because I guess you don't know about the arrangement of words.
What need to be done now?
What need, what is need to be done is that I guess we should start from scratch.
Scratch. Okay.
Means right from the very beginning, like talking. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So tell me one thing, that how you started learning English.
Okay. My medium of instruction is English.
Okay.
From first standard to till could I complete my law graduation. Yes.
Okay. So then you would be having knowledge of grammar also.
Graduation. Can I send my drafting? I don't feel I could remember.
Grammar. Okay. Um, so okay, do you have basic knowledge of English grammar, tenses, modals, and conjunctions, prepositions? No. Okay. Because when you frame sentences, you make mistakes in all of these things.
Correct.
Yesterday, in yesterday's class, I was listening to the yesterday's class. There you said that there is no any. See, no is also a negative word and any is also a negative word. And any is negative determiner. Some and any, we have two determiners. Some is used in the positive sense, any is used in the negative sense. So you have used two negatives together. So that was wrong.
Your voice is, and I will send some case preparation, right?
Okay.
This is regarding drafting skill. I will
Okay.
send it to you. You
Okay.
just check it out. They are in terms of grammar, sentences
Okay.
arrangements are correct or not.
Okay.
So after concluding this class, I will send one or two drafting case papers
Okay.
so that you go through. Even in even in writing, also I made some
Mistakes.
grammatical mistakes, whether I could arrange proper sentences or not.
Okay. So wait a second. So do you have any plans that how we can work on this? If you have thought of, no? So should I teach you the grammatical portion also?
Sometimes I feel at this stage I need to learn the grammars, right?
Because grammar is also necessary to frame a sentence. In fact, grammar is necessary to frame a sentence.
Correct. Only conversation is not a
But
solution, right?
only conversation is not a part of learning English. So have you got some plan?
No. Even
Okay.
I,
Hmm.
even I found while conversation, I'm not confident, right?
Yes.
The pronunciation, I could not make a complete pronunciation of the words, right?
Pronunciation. Pronunciation.
Yes, pronunciation. And there are so many things I found to tell you.
So, how long have you been with them?
Last 20 days.
Last 20 days. So, do you want to work on English right from the starting? Because it's a tedious task too.
I made a list of sentences which I could not frame properly.
Okay.
While conversation, sometimes I use heard. I don't know why I am using this word heard. I
Okay.
heard somewhere. Is it right or wrong?
It's right. It's not wrong.
What it indicates, I heard, mean I heard
Means I
somewhere.
have I have heard from somebody. I have heard from somewhere. Maybe from a news channel. Maybe from some person.
Okay. Step by step. Let us start with the grammar, then next step.
So we should start from the basic step.
If I go on conversation with many experts for a long time, whether it I get result or just I go on conversation,
Just I go on conversating.
conversating, right?
See, it helps to those who have basic knowledge,
Mm.
or it helps to those who have at least 50% knowledge.
Let us test. Okay. So I used to appear in a court, right? So court language is English language. So whatever my submissions are all in English,
Okay.
arguments, submissions, everything. Let me tell you one case law. So I will put a case and you find out my mistake. Is it right?
Okay.
Okay. So one company called Urja Global. It's a company and mainly it deals with the solar system.
Okay.
So it is a listed company in National Stock Exchange.
Okay.
I'm audible, right?
Yes.
I'm audible, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. The Urja Global mainly deals with the solar system,
Hmm.
solar energy, solar system. There are certain other things. So this company is a listed company in National Stock Exchange. So the Urja Global script trading at 1 rupee in a national stock exchange, trading at 1 rupee. So one fine morning, the Urja Global discloses certain commercial transactions to the authority that is called CB authority. They could check and balance the commercial transaction of all the companies which are listed in National Stock Exchange, and it is an obligation on part of a Urja Global. Any commercial transaction, they need to disclose it to the CB authority. In one of the disclosure, the Urja Global discloses saying that they have certain commercial transaction with Japanese company. So this news this news made viral. I mean,
This
it's
news
published widely.
this news went viral.
No, it's not correct word viral. It notified, it published. In legal language we can't use viral word
Okay.
sometimes with reference to this thing. So it got published, right?
Okay.
Is it right? It got published, and it came to the knowledge of investors.
Okay.
So investors thought if such a commercial transaction with a Japanese company, the company would make profit in coming years. So believing their disclosure, investors started investing in a Urja Global company, mean purchasing the script. One of the investor, what he did, he requested the Japanese company. He collected the information from CB authority disclosure and all with regard to Urja Global company, and in turn he requested the Japanese company through mail, is it right you have entered any agreement or any commercial transaction with Urja Global? In turn they are they said there is no such transactions with any Indian company, much less than Urja Global company. Can I proceed?
Yes.
Can I proceed?
Yes, sure.
Okay. So he received the mail saying there is no such transaction. The investor received the mail, there is no such transaction. The investor made a complaint to the CB enclosing the mail saying that the Urja Global company filed a false disclosure saying they have such commercial transaction with the Japanese company. When made an inquiry, the Japanese company itself replies saying that there is no such transaction. So complaint was received by the CB authority. In turn, CB authority, what it did, it's it the complaint sent to the Urja Global company and asked them to reply it. The company, what it did, it sent the reply to the CB saying that the investor who has made complaint, he has not invested in Urja Global Company, and they're not under obligation to reply him.
Okay.
This is the reply given to the CB authority. So filed another disclosure, saying there was a commercial transaction with Japanese company. The company did not paid advance amount. We terminated it at their end. So collecting these information, CB sent the reply of a company and a next disclosure to the investor saying that agreement is terminated, and you are not an investor in a Urja Global Company, and they are not under obligation to provide you any information, or they are under obligation to reply your complaint or to answer your complaint. So these transactions, filing of a complaint to CB, CB in turn sending it to Urja Global, in turn Global replying to CB. In a passage of time, the Urja Global Company script traded, which was trading at 1 rupee, was raised to 11 rupees. Right? So there are so many investors, they invested the money in a company of thinking that they could get profit since there is a commercial transaction with Japanese company.
Okay.
So after this disclosure, it's all false. Then the script price come down to 8 rupees. In between, what happens? So many investors get stuck in the investment. Now the disclosure is false. It came to a knowledge of an investor. So this is how the company played a fraud against the investor. This is a case ended with frauding the investors. I mean, they successfully fraud the investors. This is the case. Did you find any mistake?
Yes.
I spoke nearly about 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
No, not 10 minutes, I guess. There were two mistakes.
Okay.
First, there are so many investors investing, whereas this has already happened, so it is there were so many investors who were investing. And then it was the last line. I spoke nearly for 10 minutes. I guess I spoke for 10 minutes. No need of using nearly.
No need of.
No you need of using nearly. I guess I spoke for 10 minutes.
Okay.
That's it. I
So
guess
this.
basic mistakes which you are doing in framing your sentences is number first about arrangement of words, number second about the tenses, and number three about modals. Can we divide the classes?
Yeah.